prepare yourself for one last round. Take your time, take a breath. Slowly come up for downward facing dog. Nice and slow. Look forward. Now you can slowly walk front in between your both hands for Uttanasana. Half forward fold. As you exhale for forward fold, inhale, come up for 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐞𝐝. Nice and slow. Now we're gonna hold here. As I told you, keep breathing while holding a posture. Breathe in, breathe out. One last hold here. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly as you exhale, go for Uttanasana from forward. Inhale, extend your elbow. Look front for half forward fold. As you exhale, you can place your palm on your mat. Slowly walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Lengthening your spine, look forward. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slow. Take your time. Breathe in, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, step your right leg forward. By turning your back foot for 45, slowly come up for Warrior A. Virabhadra. And hold here. Keep lengthening your spine, look towards the thumb. As you exhale from the sideways, slowly place your palm on the mat. Now you can jump back or walk back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. And exhale, slowly move back. Nice and slow. Take your time. Inhale, lift your left leg up. As you exhale, place your left leg. Slowly come up for Warrior into the left side. Nice and slowly. As you exhale, slowly drop your hands on your mat. Now you can jump back or you can walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slowly. Now hold here for 3 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep lengthening your spine. Keep lifting your hip high. Press your heels on your mat. Now slowly lift your heels off the mat. Jump forward or you can walk front in between your both hands for Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Slowly come up for chair pose. Nice and slow. And exhale, release your hands. Then inhale, raise both hands above your head. Exhale, full forward. Inhale, half forward, look forward. Exhale, place your hands on the mat, go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. As you exhale, slowly drop your knees on the mat and relax here for child pose. In case you are too tired from the shoulder, you can roll your hands back. Slower down your breath, nice and slowly. Don't rush movement. Find your breathing here. Now we are moving to standing posture. From downward facing dog, slowly lean your body forward for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. As you inhale, lift your right leg up. For one leg downward facing dog, hold here, breathe. As you exhale, slowly place your right leg forward in between your both hands. Now turn your back foot for 45 degrees. Slowly come up for Warrior A. Nice and slowly look up. Hold here for 2 breaths. Inhale. Lengthening your spine and exhale. Slowly drop your heart down. Now slowly by turning your back foot out, Open your hands for Virabhadra to Warrior B. Hold here, look forward. Nice and slowly, no need to lift your shoulders up. Now you have to drop your shoulders down. Hold here for 3, 2, breathe in. As you exhale, slowly shift forward with your right hand. Inhale, come up for reverse warrior. And hold here nice and slowly. Take your time. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly back to warrior A. Look front. Now we are moving to 𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐿, triangle pose. So those who have tight hamstring here, you can use a block. So here I am using a block by front side of my foot, of my right foot. So as I told you, according to your flexibility, you can increase the height of the block, not on the outside of the foot. This should be inside, so it will help you to maintain your spine over your front leg. Now from warrior B, first try to extend your front foot. Now reach forward with your right hand by dropping your right hip down. Lift your left hip up. Slowly bend your torso. Place your hands over the block. Now do focus on lengthening your spine. Slowly by twisting your chest, lift up your left hand over your right shoulder. Look up towards your left palm and hold here. Breathe in and breathe out. And make sure you have to keep pressing your back feet on the mat. Nice and slow. 2 more breaths here. Take your time. Now first shift your weight forward. Bend your right leg. Inhale, come back to warrior B. Look front, hold here. Stay strong in this position. Keep breathing. As I told you, don't need to hold your breath while holding the posture. Now let's do one more round. Extend your right leg by dropping your right hip. Lift your left hip up. Reach forward, bend your torso. Drop your hands over the block. Slowly by twisting your spine, find your 𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐿, triangle pose. Keep lengthening your spine. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Breathe and slowly come up for warrior. Nice. Now from here, slowly by twisting your back foot in, come up for warrior A. Virabhadra. And exhale, drop your hands on the mat. You can remove your block here. Now slowly jump back or walk back to Chaturanga. Nice and slowly. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Open your heart, look forward. And exhale, go back to Urdhva Mukha. So if you are tired here, you can rest in child pose. Or you can continue with the left leg. Take your time in downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Now with your next inhalation, lift your left leg up for 1 leg downward facing dog. As you exhale, step your left leg forward by turning your back foot in. Slowly come up for warrior A. Hold here, keep lengthening your spine as you inhale, reach high. Exhale, drop your chest down. Release your shoulders. Slowly by opening the leg, come up for warrior B. Look front, nice and slowly. And make sure your hips should be open, not closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Now reach forward, exhale, inhale, come up for reverse warrior. And hold here. You can look front side or you can look towards the ceiling. Nice and slow. 2 more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Slowly back to the center. We'll meet in warrior B. Now we are moving to 𝐵𝐴, triangle pose. So as I told you, you can use a block according to flexibility. You can increase the height of the block. Now from warrior B, slowly extend your left leg. Reach forward as you exhale, bend your torso, drop your hands over the block. By lengthening your spine, slowly find your 𝐭𝐞𝐵 triangle pose. Maintain your right shoulder aligned with your left. Keep pressing the outer edge of the back leg. Hold here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. And exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. As you exhale, shift your weight forward. Slowly come up for warrior B. Take your time. Now we'll do one more round. Breathe in, extend your left leg, slowly reach forward, bend your torso, find your 𝐵𝐵 and hold here. Nice and slow, according to your breath. Keep pressing the back outer edge on the mat. Do focus on your base. Now slowly, as you inhale back to warrior B, breathe in slowly back to the warrior A. Now as you exhale, drop your hands on the mat, take your time, remove your block. Now slowly walk back on, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale out for Urdhva Mukha and exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now we are resting here in child pose, so slowly lift your heels off the mat, slowly drop your knees down and exhale, relax in child pose. Again, if you are too tired from your shoulder, you can round your hands back and relax. Breathe in, breathe down. And slowly back to downward facing dog. Look forward. As you inhale, lift your heels off to the mat, bend your knees. Slowly walk forward or jump front for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, nice and slowly. Slowly find a chair pose. Now this time we are doing a variation here. Now make a namaste in between your heart center. Breathe in, lengthening your spine. As you exhale, twist towards the right side. Now place your elbow by outside of your right knee. Keep lengthening your spine and look up toward the ceiling and hold here. Nice and slow. Take your time. And if you are tight or not flexible, you can just stay there. According to your flexibility, you have to move without hurting yourself. Slowly back to the center. And exhale, twist towards the left side. Nice and slowly, take a time, take a breath. Slowly back to the center. Inhale, lift your hands up. Drop your hands down for Uttanasana from forward fold. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Now hold here, keep lengthening your spine, look forward. Nice and slowly. Plant your hands down, slowly walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Drop your knees down, bend your elbow, lean forward. Inhale out for Urdhva Mukha and hold here. Exhale, slowly go back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Take a time, take a breath. And slowly drop your knees down. Shift your weight forward for Urdhva Mukha and exhale, slowly round your spine, go back to Adho Mukha. Let's do one more time. Drop your knees down. By rounding your spine, slowly drop your belly down. Open your heart for Urdhva Mukha and exhale, slowly go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slowly. As you exhale, drop your knees down and relax in child pose.